Welcome guys, today I am with the Anker SoundCore Liberty Air 2 Pro earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset of these earbuds. So at the first, just take a look. I'm currently connected with my Android smartphone and we have to put back both earbuds to the case. We have to open it also, and then we have to click and hold this button that we can find on the back of our charging case until indicators on our earbuds blinks 3 times on red. So let's make it right. Let's make it right now. Click and hold it and take a look on these indicators on our earbuds. As you can see right now, they blinking on the white, the left one, the right also, and right now they blinks 3 times on the red. And right now we can release that button. As you can see right now, the connection disappear, and when we click on our earbuds, we are not connected back. We have to accept another pairing request. So it means that we successfully restore all default settings. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.